Hey there, welcome back to another Jackson Jet Setting Resort review. Today we're taking a look at the Hyatt Centric Waikiki. We booked this with 15,000 Hyatt points per night after checking out at the Hyatt Regency Waikiki. It's located in a converted office building a few blocks off of the beach in downtown Waikiki with a nice convenient location next to tons of restaurants in the area. Now, we stayed here during COVID, so there was no restaurant on property that was open for our globalist free breakfast. Property offered 500 bonus points per night for the inconvenience. There is a Starbucks reserve on the first floor, but that's all out of pocket. You take an elevator up to the lobby, and there's an awesome lobby. It seemed nice and new, especially compared to other Waikiki hotels that we stayed at during this trip. Lots of Instagrammable spots, including this laid back little bed. Plenty of places for you to work in the lobby, and the closed restaurant is actually where the work from Hyatt space is. So if you were looking to work from Waikiki, this is not a bad option. Most of the public spaces are all on this floor. You have your little business center that's open air to the main lobby. There's also the gym and the pool. The pool is basically waist deep. It's more of a wading pool maybe to hang out by rather than to actually swim, but it looks really cool, so that was pretty fun. And here's the gym. Plenty of stuff here, not gigantic by any means, but enough space, and they were limiting it to 3 people because of COVID. So 1502 is our room. We were upgraded to a 1-bedroom suite because of my World of Hyatt Globalist status, which was awesome, and had views of the mountain, no views of the ocean, but there are some that do have views of the ocean. And if you take a look, you'll see the view here, 1 king bed, kind of an open air plan, but there is a little alcove that has a separate door that you can use to work, which we definitely did. And it has its own TV and pull-out couch, so if you were sharing the room with your family, you could definitely use that. And as we take a look back towards the main room, turn right into the bathroom, which was nice and efficient, nice big shower, 1 sink, so a little cramped on counter space there. And then just a regular toilet, no fancy Toto toilet like at the Hyatt Regency Waikiki, but not really a major deal by any means. And there's a nice closet space with coffees and mini fridge, and as well as some nice robes with the Hyatt Centric. Those are pretty standard across the brand. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like this video. We have plenty more to view.